Satyapal Malik, absolutely nothing. I did not know anything. I was merely called by the Home Minister one day prior saying, Satyapal, I'm sending a letter tomorrow morning. Please get it passed by a committee for 11 tomorrow and send it to me. The whole world is aware of this. We cannot sit in an ivory tower and behave it never happened. The will of the people of Jammu and Kashmir is integral to the mode of governance specified in Article 370, and a process which has systematically, with malintent, erased the will of the people can never legitimately affect Article 370. And their will has been systematically erased in this fashion. I quickly give the run-up. 20th of June, the governor's rule is imposed because and it is stated in the order that because one party has withdrawn and no other political party is ready to form the government. This is why governor's rule was imposed, not because of anything else, not because there was a security issue, not because the state was in any danger, because no political party was willing to form the government. Then what earthly reason had the governor to dissolve the House within 30 minutes of two agencies saying we are ready to form the government? Two political parties. One, a letter, it's what page is just, I'm not going to read it. Page in the this petition compilation.
Mr. Sibal has already taken us.
Yes, I don't want to read it again. So 56 out of 87 MPs take a claim. The governor is not there. We cannot determine where the governor is, but we can inform him. It is on record that the secretary has acknowledged the WhatsApp message. He does not answer the phone, fax doesn't go through. He is informed on WhatsApp, and a public tweet tagging the governor is issued. By 8:16, this is done, and by 8:57, we are notified that the House has been dissolved. What earthly reason has a governor to dissolve a House when governor's rule was imposed only because no political party was ready to stake a claim, and when political parties are ready and willing to stake a claim? What business has the governor to say, I'm not here, I'm not there? Then in this state of affairs, there is a proclamation of President's rule, and the President usurps the power of the state government under Article 371. It is not permissible under Article 356 because it only allows them to take over the functions of a state government, not sui generis powers, protected by a non-obstant clause. And what need has a power? He has executive powers to do whatever has to be done on a regular basis in a state government. And temporary legislative powers. Where is the need for this extraordinary power? It is not contemplated. And then we are told the situation was not okay for elections to be held. I mean, that situation must only be attributed to the governor and the president, because until then the reason was that no political party is coming forth. So this, I'll finish. So this is malice, and this power under Article 356, which is really subject, legislative acts there are subject to a post-appraisal by the state legislature. This power is ironically used to destroy all possibility of a legislature. So the people of Jammu and Kashmir don't have a legislature when the act is contemplated of abrogating Article 370, and it is ensured that they do not have any future legislature either. And my friends want your lordships to believe that this is an expression of the will of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. My lords, this is, a self-proclaimed agent through a series of proxies, strangling the principle and telling your lordship this is not murder but suicide. This is really bad. And this CO272 is not only legally untenable, because of what I said about Article 371 and the sui generis power. Only one page I want your lordships to see. There is this public functionary, volume 13, page 435.
On the documents?
Just one second.
Here is a governor who gives video interviews. I'm aware that strictly a newspaper report is not evidence. It is not evidence in the sense that you cannot base a criminal conviction on it. But when a public functionary, former...
What is this at page?
This is a video interview given by the governor who had who had dissolved the assembly, not the person who imposed governor's will. And also, it's supposed to have given concurrence for CO2 17.
Page you are referring to. Oh, the page,
It's still lingering on the.
it's 13 pages.
This is an interview he gave to Wired current.
Why
Affairs.
I am interrupting?
And then you.
It's part of the compilation.
No, this is an implement filed in 22, never listed, for the first time being listed. Therefore, I am asking you, what?
Sorry?
Yes, which part do you want us to
I just
see?
want to read from the middle. So Karan Thapar, so really you had no idea. He had no idea on the night of August 4 what was coming. And he has given concurrence like this. Satyapal Malik, absolutely nothing. I did not know anything. I was merely called by the Home Minister one day prior saying, Satyapal, I'm sending a letter tomorrow morning. Please get it passed by a committee for 11 tomorrow and send it to me. The whole world is aware of this. We cannot sit in an ivory tower and behave it never happened.
So, post facto statement.
Post facto statements. Only at that level your lordship may consider it as post facto statement. Obviously, before that he didn't even know, he could not have issued a statement. So this is the